Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Pocket Eikaiwa, your pocket English conversation every day.
And I'm Michael. Hi, Olivia.
Hey, Michael. You look tired. Did you practice English this morning?
I did, but only for 10 minutes. I thought 10 minutes would not be enough.
And how did it feel?
Actually, I felt more confident. I did not try to study everything. I just practiced a few phrases.
That is the secret. 10 minutes of speaking every day is more powerful than 2 hours once a week.
So today, we're going to build a 10-minute daily speaking routine that you can do alone.
This is a 20-minute lesson for A2 and B1 learners. We will not ask you to memorize long lists.
We will show you exactly what to do in each of the 10 minutes.
We call it the 10-minute daily speaking routine.
Minute 1 is a warm-up.
Minute 2 is chunks.
Minutes 3 and 4 are sentence starters.
Minutes 5 and 6 describe your day.
Minutes 7 and 8 are shadowing.
Minute 9 answers a question.
Minute 10 records one sentence.
You do not need a teacher, a partner, or a lot of time. You need 10 minutes and your voice.
Before we start, remember one rule. Speak out loud, even if you are alone. Silent practice does not train your mouth.
Ready? Let's begin with Minute 1.
Minute 1. Warm up your mouth.
Your mouth needs to wake up, just like your body in the morning.
We will say 3 simple sounds and phrases. Repeat after me.
Good morning. Today I will speak English.
Normal speed. Good morning. Today I will speak English.
Your turn. 1, 2, 3, let's begin.
Normal speed. 1, 2, 3, let's begin. Your turn.
I don't need to be perfect. I only need to start.
Normal speed. I don't need to be perfect. I only need to start. Your turn.
Good. Minute 1 is done. That was easy, right?
Minute 2. Learn 3 chunks.
A chunk is a small group of words that native speakers use together.
Today, we learn 3 chunks. For each one, listen, repeat, then make your own sentence.
Chunk 1 is I usually. I usually drink coffee in the morning.
Your turn. Repeat. I usually drink coffee in the morning.
Now change it. I usually plus something you do every day.
For example, I usually walk to work, or I usually read at night.
Say your sentence now. Chunk 2 is I need to. I need to practice English every day.
Your turn. Repeat. I need to practice English every day.
Now personalize. I need to plus one thing you must do today.
Say it now.
Chunk 3 is I want to. I want to speak English more confidently.
Your turn. Repeat. I want to speak English more confidently.
Now make it about you. I want to plus a real goal.
Say your sentence now.
Excellent. You have 3 chunks for today. I usually, I need to, and I want to.
Minute 4. Use sentence starters.
Sentence starters help you begin before your brain finds the perfect sentence.
We will use 3 starters. For each one, complete the idea with your own words.
Starter 1 is I think. I think 10 minutes is enough to start.
Your turn. Start with I think and say one true idea.
For example, I think mornings are the best time to practice, or I think this method is helpful.
Say it now.
Starter 2 is in my opinion.
In my opinion, daily practice beats long study sessions.
Your turn. Start with in my opinion.
Say your sentence now.
Starter 3 is the best part is.
The best part is that I can practice at home.
Your turn. Start with the best part is.
Say your sentence now.
Great. Minute 3 complete. You just built 3 personal sentences.
Minute 4. Combine 2 ideas.
Now connect 2 ideas with one simple word, because.
For example, I practice every day because I want to improve.
Slowly. I practice every day because I want to improve.
Normal speed. I practice every day because I want to improve.
Your turn. Now try this one. I like short lessons because...
Complete it with your own reason.
Say your sentence now. One more. I feel more confident when...
Complete it with a real situation.
For example, I feel more confident when I practice in the morning.
Your turn.
Now use so to give a result. I practice every day, so I feel more confident.
For example, I practice every day, so I feel more confident.
Slowly. I practice every day, so I feel more confident.
Normal speed. I practice every day, so I feel more confident.
Your turn. Try one with but. I only have 10 minutes, but...
For example, I only have 10 minutes, but I use them well.
Your turn. Nice! That is how you turn short phrases into complete thoughts.
Minute 5. Describe your morning.
We will use simple present tense to talk about your day.
Listen to my example first.
I wake up at 7, I drink coffee, I check my phone. Then I start work.
Normal speed. I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I check my phone. Then I start work.
Your turn. Describe your morning in 4 short sentences.
Start with I wake up at.
Pause and think, then speak. Good. Now add one detail. I usually plus one more action.
For example, I usually take the bus, or I usually listen to music.
Say your sentence now. Minute 6, describe your evening.
We use the same simple structure, but for the end of the day.
After work, I go home. I make dinner, I relax for a while, then I go to bed.
Normal speed. After work, I go home. I make dinner. I relax for a while. Then I go to bed.
Your turn. Describe your evening.
Start with after work or after school.
Speak now. Now add one feeling. I feel plus tired, happy, relaxed, or calm.
For example, I feel tired but happy, or I feel relaxed after dinner.
Say your sentence now. Good. You can now describe your whole day in simple English.
Minute 7. Shadow a short conversation.
Shadowing means you listen and repeat immediately, like an echo.
We will do a short cafe conversation. Repeat the second speaker each time.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7. I feel good.
Echo Michael. I woke up at 7. I feel good.
Your turn.
What did you do this morning?
I had coffee and walked to work.
Echo. I had coffee and walked to work.
Your turn.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice for 10 minutes every morning.
Echo. Yes, I practice for 10 minutes every morning.
Your turn.
Beautiful. Your mouth is now trained on natural rhythm.
Minute 9. Answer one question.
Every day, choose one question and answer it in 2 or 3 sentences.
Today's question is, what is one small thing you did well today?
My answer: I practiced English for 10 minutes. I said every phrase out loud. That is a small win.
Your turn. Answer the question. 2 or 3 sentences.
Pause and think, then speak. Good. Tomorrow you can choose a different question, like, what made you smile today? Or, what are you looking forward to?
The goal is not a perfect answer. The goal is to think in English and speak. Minute 10. Record one sentence.
The final minute is the most powerful.
Open your phone, use a voice recorder, and say one sentence about today.
Today, I practiced English for 10 minutes, and I feel proud.
Today, I practiced English for 10 minutes, and I feel proud.
Your turn. Record your sentence now.
You can keep these recordings. After 30 days, you will hear your own progress.
That is the complete routine. Let's do it all together in one quick flow.
Minute 1. Warm up.
Good morning. Today I will speak English.
Minute 2. Chunks.
I usually drink coffee. I need to practice. I want to improve.
Minute 3. Starters.
I think daily practice works. In my opinion, short is better. The best part is starting.
Minutes 5 and 6, your day.
I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I start work. After work, I go home and relax.
Minutes 7 and 8, shadowing.
I woke up at 7. I had coffee. I practice for 10 minutes every morning.
Minute 9, question.
I did one small thing well today. I practiced English.
Minute 10, recording.
Today I practiced for 10 minutes and I feel proud.
That is 10 minutes every day. That is how speaking becomes a habit.
Let's use everything in 2 short conversations.
The first conversation is 2 friends in the morning.
Hey, are you practicing English again?
Yes, just 10 minutes. I do it every morning.
Only 10 minutes? Is that enough?
I think so. I use chunks, describe my day, and shadow a conversation.
That sounds simple. I usually say I have no time.
Try it. You need to start small.
Okay, I want to try tomorrow.
Good. In my opinion, the morning is the best time.
What does Michael do every morning?
He practices English for 10 minutes.
Repeat. I practice for 10 minutes every morning.
Your turn.
The second conversation is after work.
How was your day?
It was good. I practiced English this morning.
Nice. What did you do?
I learned 3 chunks, described my morning, and answered a question.
Did you record yourself?
Yes, I felt a little silly, but it worked.
The best part is that you did it. 10 minutes is enough.
I feel more confident already.
What did Olivia do during her practice?
She learned chunks, described her morning, answered a question, and recorded herself.
Repeat. I felt a little silly, but it worked. Your turn.
The third conversation is about building a habit.
I keep forgetting to practice.
Try 10 minutes every morning, right after coffee.
Why the morning? I usually feel too tired.
Because after work, you have no willpower left.
That is true. I usually just watch videos at night.
In my opinion, mornings are easier for small habits.
Okay, I need to try it tomorrow.
One small change, 10 minutes. That's all.
What does Michael suggest?
He suggests practicing for 10 minutes every morning right after coffee.
Repeat. Try 10 minutes every morning, right after coffee. Your turn.
Repeat. One small change, 10 minutes. That's all.
Your turn.
Great. Let's review the full routine through a short story.
Every morning, I wake up and practice English. Your turn.
First, I warm up with a simple sentence.
Your turn.
Then, I learn 3 useful chunks.
Your turn.
I use sentence starters to build my own ideas.
Your turn.
I described my morning in 4 short sentences.
Your turn.
After that, I shadowed a short conversation about coffee.
Your turn.
I answered one question about the previous day.
Your turn.
At the end, I recorded one sentence.
Your turn.
It was not perfect, but I did it.
Your turn.
By Friday, I noticed that speaking felt easier.
Your turn.
That is the power of 10 minutes a day.
Your turn.
Now let's do a fast shadowing round. I will say a short phrase and you repeat immediately without pausing. I usually wake up early.
Your turn.
I need to practice every day.
Your turn.
I want to speak confidently.
Your turn.
I think 10 minutes is enough.
Your turn.
In my opinion, mornings are best.
Your turn.
The best part is starting.
Your turn.
I practice because it works.
Your turn.
I feel tired, but I keep going.
Your turn.
I woke up at 7.
Your turn.
I had coffee and walked to work.
Your turn.
I practice for 10 minutes every morning.
Your turn.
I felt a little silly, but it worked.
Your turn.
10 minutes is enough to make progress.
Your turn.
Today, I practiced and I feel proud.
Your turn.
Excellent! Your mouth is now warmed up and you have spoken many useful phrases today.
Now I will tell you a longer story. Repeat each sentence after me.
Last Monday, I started a new 10-minute habit.
Your turn.
I set my alarm 10 minutes earlier.
Your turn.
After I woke up, I drank a glass of water.
Your turn.
Then I sat at the table and opened my notebook.
Your turn.
I did not check my phone.
Your turn.
First, I warmed up by saying hello in English.
Your turn.
Then I practiced 3 chunks: I usually, I need to, and I want to.
Your turn.
I used sentence starters like I think and in my opinion.
Your turn.
I described my morning in 4 short sentences.
Your turn.
Then I shadowed a short conversation about coffee.
Your turn.
I answered 1 question about the previous day.
Your turn.
At the end, I recorded 1 sentence.
Your turn.
It was not perfect, but I did it.
Your turn.
By Friday, I noticed that speaking felt easier.
Your turn.
That is the power of 10 minutes a day.
Your turn.
Now let's do a quick choice challenge. Minute 1 is for chunks, warm-up, or recording.
Warm-up. Minute 1 is a warm-up. Your turn.
I usually is a chunk, a question, or a title.
A chunk. I usually is a chunk. Your turn.
Shadowing means reading, listening and repeating, or writing.
Listening and repeating, like an echo. Your turn.
How long is the daily routine? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 1 hour?
10 minutes every day. Your turn.
Final question. What do you do in minute 10?
Record 1 sentence on your phone. Your turn.
Your challenge is simple. Do this routine tomorrow morning.
You do not need to understand everything. You only need to show up and speak.
After 1 week, you will feel faster. After 1 month, you will hear real progress.
Then write 1 sentence in the comments. Today, I practiced for 10 minutes and I learned. Your turn.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to Pocket Eikaiwa.
Until next time, 10 minutes a day keeps the fear away.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now, everyone.
Bye!